What's up everybody, new product to unbox today, and it's these, the totally wireless Zolo Liberty Plus earbuds by Anker, the same company that do all the charging technology and the battery technology, so these should have a great battery life. What I'm going to do is unbox them on this video, and then in about a week's time I will put on this channel a full review of what I think of these. So if you haven't yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button below, but for now, let's get into the box. So this is the box, and I've always said that Anker do a great job with their packaging, and that's definitely reflected in this product as well. I really like the way that they packaged this, but we want to open it, see what's inside. So when you open it, what you get is you get a little instruction manual here of how to place them into your ears, as well as this nice kind of photo demo of using them. But of course, we want to get into this side where you've got the charging case and the two earbuds placed up here. So let's get into this. I'm going to show you guys the charging case first. It's lighter than I thought it'd be, but it feels really nice. It's got this metallic kind of feel. Feels really well made. Not too big. It is of course bigger than the Apple AirPods, but Anker say that you'll get 48 hours out of charging on this case. So this case will actually provide 48 hours worth of battery to the earpieces. On the front here, you won't be able to see this on the camera, but on the front there's three very tiny LEDs that obviously tells you the charging status and battery indicator of the case itself. You have on the side the micro USB port for charging. Interesting, they haven't gone with USB-C like most of their modern products. On the inside you have two slots obviously for the earpieces, and they have the connectors there, and that is pretty much it with the charging case. I will say it has a really nice feel. It is lighter than I expected, probably about the size that I expected as well, definitely bigger than the Apple AirPods charging case. Let's get into the earbuds. So this is the front side, so the side that faces out when they're in your ear. These are buttons, so these where it says Zolo on the front of them are actually buttons. You can press them to, pause, play music, accept calls. You can, I think, double press on most devices to call up your virtual assistant, whether that be Siri or whatever other device you're using if you're not using an Apple device. There's also microphones on the front of each of these as well. On the back side, obviously you have the sleeves. There's also, you can see there, the connector for when you're charging them in the case. And then the ear tips as well. Really nicely well made. A lot lighter than I thought they would be. And I actually feel like they're going to be quite comfortable. They probably protrude a little bit more than I would like. I'm not a fan of having these big things sticking out your ears, but we'll see. Have to test them out. There is another layer under here, and there you have all the ear tips and the jackets that I was talking about, so the grip fit jacket. It is important to choose the jacket that fits your ear. Everyone has different sized ears because you want to get the perfect kind of noise isolation. You want to block out all that sound from outside and just have the crispy, clear audio from the headphones. So there's three, well, I guess including the jacket that's already on, 4 different size jackets, 3 different ear tips for you to choose from to get the perfect fit. And then let's just open up this part of the package here, and you get a yellow charging cable, it looks like another spare packet of ear tips, and an owner's manual. And that actually covers everything in the box. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe, because in a week's time the full review of these babies will be up on my channel. I'll be looking at things like battery life, audio quality, comfortability, if that's even a word, and a whole range of other things as well, and of course whether these are the Apple AirPod killers. So all that will be on my channel within the next week. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you in my next video.